My first official meeting because I am signing up for the local COVID-19 vaccine research. The suckiest part about it is that basically if you end up getting the stinking salt water instead of the vaccine, you cannot get another copy of the vaccine. You know, like you can't go be vaccinated for till the end of the study. So until after 2 years, even if you leave the study, I think. So pray that you actually get the vaccine. Otherwise, you can't get that vaccine for a long time. So that's kind of a bummer. But, you know, I'm healthy. And I feel like getting the vaccine on the market for people who aren't necessarily healthy and might have a harder time with the virus seems like a good thing to do. So I think I'm going to try it. I don't know. It makes me nervous, but I don't feel like super weird about it. So it'll probably be okay, right? Maybe I'm a little crazy. Okay, and also, I got a mysterious package yesterday that something that I don't think I ordered. So I'm filming it just in case it's a gifty. Okay, so I opened the package that I got, and it is from Keto Cricket. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, you should. Her name is also Tammi, and we spell it the same way, which is pretty rare, so gotta love her. It basically says this to start your home gym, and it is a kettlebell handle. So I guess I need to get a kettlebell. Woot! That's awesome. Thank you, Tammi. I am so far behind today. I haven't even had my bath, and it's like lunchtime, it's noon. Haven't even gotten my food, haven't done anything. Because I had to edit a video for you guys today because I didn't get it done last night. I was too tired. And I had that call this morning about the vaccine research. Anyway, chickens, I'm sorry I'm late. Good afternoon. Ooh, we got another olive egg. Cute. All right, guys, it is 1 o'clock and I still have not had my first meal or taken a bath. Today is just not going the way I planned. Anyway, I finally got my meal put together, and because I'm splurging and having burgers, burgers and Quest chips and a keto cupcake for dinner, I have to be pretty conservative with my first meal and not do a second meal unless it's just Jell-O, which I might still do that. So I am actually gonna have Crio Bru today, but as you can see, it has no cream. Not too bad for chocolate water. It still hits the spot. It still tastes chocolatey. And then I am going to have all my protein things, my low-fat protein things for breakfast like I did last time I did a birthday. So I'm going to show you that. So I have a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, this time with mango peach Mio water enhancer. The link to the water enhancer is in the about section below and the affiliate links. Then I have a banana custard, keto custard made with, today I used 3 small eggs, so 110 grams of eggs and 7 grams of slivered almonds on top, and 3 sugar-free Jellos. So I'm going to go ahead and eat that and drink my Bang after I drink my, well, I might take the Bang into the bath with me. I'm not exactly sure, but either way, I'm going to drink a Bang with this, and then I'm going to get in the bath for a couple of hours before I have to get up and start getting ready to go to dance and get the house picked up for the party tonight for Phineas's 15th birthday, which is today. So, all right, guys, well, that's all I've got right now, and I'll check back in with you in a little while. The frick? Who moved my mirrors? I can't drive. My purse is in the way. Come on. I'm alive. I'm okay. I'm capable. I can do this. We got it. We got it. Everybody seatbelts on. Let's not get the seatbelt Nazis calling us crap moms again. Right, 19-year-old daughter? Okay, sorry. Lately, I've been a little bit ornery. I don't know, maybe I need more food. So, anyway, we are heading to the dance studio. Normally, I would be going for a walk and do my circuit to do my arm strength, but I am skipping it today. I'm not feeling awesome. Kind of woke up just feeling like depleted, like I had no sodium, and fully expected the scale to be down to like, 163 with how I felt this morning. But no, it was not. And so I haven't even talked to you guys really much today because I really haven't felt like it. But needless to say, I finally got my bath. I feel somewhat more human. There was no up in my feelings addressing emotions today. It was not time for that, but maybe next week. And I gotta go shopping, so I don't have time to go walking because I never bought my kid a birthday cake, and it's totally his birthday, so I have to go to the store.
No way.
Yeah. It's all right. That's normal for me, right? I mean, going the day up. I mean, that's nothing new.
That's so funny.
What? So funny that I didn't get one? That I didn't think about it till now? Like, come on. I bought him Eggo waffles for his birthday breakfast like last week.
So there's that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna crash. All right, guys, I am at the dance studio sitting in my car. I am gonna have only 3 Jellos today, no Built Bar or Quest Bar because I'm saving my extra calories for that keto cake tonight. Looking forward to it. Oh, and don't forget, always. So you had to do 32.
It's really slow at the base on both feet.
So that means you go up on your toe platform, kinda.
Like you go up, like with straight legs.
So no plie, you just go up and down and up with your feet. So
And we did that combo.
I can't make
with
that
the
look
Tandu
in my
plie
hands.
releve ones with the million elevate ones.
So our legs were on fire. Gonna survive?
Probably.
Can you walk around Walmart?
Not a,
Be glad we're not walking at the park today, huh?
I don't know.
I can handle it. Alright, well, we're gonna head to Walmart and buy Finn some stuff. I feel like I can't walk. I don't know, I'm just weird today. Let's cross here. Shopping trip. I only got 1,000 steps, at least according to the app on my phone. But it's probably wrong because I feel like we walked a lot. Don't you? I wonder if it doesn't detect when you walk around and around in circles over and over. Probably not. Anyway, we just finished up just in time to go get Ronnie, and then we're heading home for Finny's birthday. Okay. Here we go. The pièce de la résistance.
He is now 15.
All right, everybody, it is nighttime. I don't know what time it is at this point. 8 o'clock, I think, and I am having a party with my kids. Say hi. It's not Solé's birthday anymore. It's Finn's. I don't know where he is. We're having hamburger. Well, I'm having hamburger salad. They're having real hamburgers with buns, and I'm not going to think about it too hard. I have 6 ounces of 85-15 ground beef on some lettuce. I don't know how much. With 40 grams of tomato and 20 grams of onion, and I don't know how much pickles because I did not measure them. I'm no bad. But that is going to be my last meal of the day, except for my dessert, which is coming up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Finny. Happy birthday to you. Oh, he really thought about that one. Here's my pretty keto cake. It's raspberry lemon or lemon raspberry. I don't know what it is, but I'm eating it. Woohoo! Alrighty guys, I'm just barely getting started editing. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done. I'm trying to keep up with you guys. I'm glad tomorrow is the last vlog day, or at least the last keep doing it every day vlog. It's been fun. I've enjoyed it. I've totally had fun. But as you can see, the longer it's going on, I'm kind of getting more cranky and going on more rants and stuff. And I think, yeah, it's probably better if I take a little break and just give you guys like a weekly update or something. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been fun. I really have enjoyed sharing all of this with you guys and talking to you more and feeling like you're more of my friends. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Date day, lots of food day. I'm just really ready for a refeed. I am going to go take my vitamins and my magnesium, and I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Bye.